Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful breathing practice to help balance your hormones, calm your mind, and restore your energy. I've learned that breath is the bridge between our body and spirit. And this 4-2-8-2 breathing exercise is one of the best tools for creating harmony within. Before we begin, find a quiet, comfortable spot. Sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet grounded on the floor. If you prefer, you can lie down. Let's start by settling into this moment. Close your eyes if that feels right for you. Round 1, setting the rhythm. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale completely. Now, follow along with me as we begin the first round. Inhale for 4. Breathe deeply into your belly. Feel it expand like a balloon. Hold for 2. Let the energy settle. Exhale for 8. Gently release the breath through your mouth. Empty your lungs completely. Hold for 2. Sit in the stillness. That's 1 breath. Stay with me. Feel your body soften and your mind settle. Round 2, activating balance. Let's go again. Inhale for 4. Draw the breath in slowly, nourishing every cell. Hold for 2. Picture your body soaking in the energy. Exhale for 8. Release tension, stress, and worry. Hold for 2. Enjoy the calm. Notice the sensations in your body. You might feel lighter already. Round 3, deepening the practice. This round, imagine your breath as a golden light. Inhale for 4. Draw the golden light into your belly, filling it with warmth. Hold for 2. Let the light spread through your body. Exhale for 8. Let the light wash away anything that doesn't serve you. Hold for 2. Feel the balance taking hold. Round 4, hormonal harmony. This time, focus on your endocrine system, the glands that balance your hormones. Inhale for 4. Breathe in vitality. Hold for 2. Feel it energizing your body. Exhale for 8. Release stagnation and toxins. Hold for 2. Embrace the quiet. Picture your hormones syncing like a perfectly tuned orchestra. Round 5, final round. Let's finish strong. Inhale for 4. Breathe in deeply, knowing you're restoring balance. Hold for 2. Soak in the stillness. Exhale for 8. Let go completely, trusting the process. Hold for 2. Feel gratitude for this moment. Take a moment to return to a natural breath. Stay here for a few more seconds, letting your body and mind absorb the effects of the practice. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this time with me. This simple breathing technique can be your anchor whenever you need balance in your life. Remember, the breath is always here to guide you.